Relying on one paycheck is like living in a fortress with only one way in or out. Sure, it feels safe until that one gate gets blocked. A layoff, an industry shift, a health crisis, suddenly you're trapped. What if I told you that the tools to build a second, third, fourth gate are already in your hands? You don't need some revolutionary ideas. Hi everyone and welcome to another Consulting Tuesdays. I'm George, a PhD economist, and in this video I'm giving you the blueprint to aggressively diversify your income, starting with the skills you already have. By the end, you will know the exact first step to take. Before that though, take a moment and subscribe for inclusive economic insights that cut through the noise. In every video, I break down complex market forces into actionable knowledge you can use. The biggest lie about diversifying your income is that you need to be an expert in 10 different fields. The truth: your next paycheck is probably hiding in plain sight, inside the skills you use every single day. This isn't about working yourself to the bone with 5 different jobs. It's about being smart. You're going to use a powerful concept called skill stacking. Think of it like this. Instead of killing yourself trying to be the absolute best at one thing, you combine a few complementary skills to become uniquely viable. This is the fastest way I know to boost your earning potential and build real financial security. We aren't just adding income streams. We are building a portfolio of options. Before you even think about new ventures, we have to talk about your foundation, your main job. So many people skip this, but it's the most important step. Your primary income is the launchpad for everything else. It's the capital you will use to fund your other project. This means finally asking for that raise, learning a high-value skill that makes you indispensable at work, or optimizing your current business. Think of it as generating the resources for construction. You can't build new gates without a steady flow of materials. So get a clear picture of your finances, income, expenses, savings, and see what you're really working with. It's not the sexiest step, but it's the one that makes everything else possible. And now it's time to build your first new gate by casting in on what you already know. Take a moment and make a list of your skills, and not just the professional ones. Include your hobbies and things you're passionate about. Are you great at organizing, writing, graphic design, teaching, or coding? Those are all marketable skills. The quickest way to a second paycheck is through active income like freelancing, consulting, or tutoring. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or even just a good social media profile, makes it incredibly easy to find your first clients. For example, if you're a writer, you could offer to write blog posts for businesses. If you're a designer, you could sell templates on Etsy. A teacher, you could start tutoring online. The goal here is simple: start small and get the first win. You're turning a skill you already have into cash, proving the concept to yourself and building momentum. And this is where the magic really happens. That first side income you build isn't just about the money, it's about the data and experience you're gathering. You're essentially getting paid to do market research. Let's go back to our freelance writer. After writing for a dozen tech startups, they've done more than just improve their writing. They now have deep insights into that industry's problems. This creates the next opportunity. They can stack a new skill on top of their writing, like social media strategy or SEO. Now, they're not just a writer, they're also a content strategist who can demand much higher rates. Or they could create a digital product like an ebook or an online course, teaching other writers how to land the clients. This is how you shift from trading time for money to building scalable assets that work for you. Each stream builds on the last, creating a powerful synergy. Drop a comment below with one skill you have that could be your first new gate. I want to see what you're all working with. So once you've got some active income flowing and you've built some authority, it's time to focus on the automated or passive income streams. These are the gates that stay open with minimal ongoing effort from you. This is where you leverage the audience and expertise you've built. Passive income can look like many things. The online course you already created, affiliate marketing commissions from products you genuinely recommend, or ad revenue from a blog or a YouTube channel. You can also start investing a portion of your earnings into things like dividend-paying stocks or real estate investment trust to build portfolio income. The key is that these automated streams are born from the active work you did before. The blog you started as a side hustle can now earn ad revenue while you sleep. The online course you filmed once keeps selling again and again. As you can see, building multiple income streams isn't about chaos or burnout. It's about taking smart sequential steps. You start by making your foundation rock solid. Then you use a skill you already have to build that first new stream. From there, you stack your wins, moving from active work to more passive and scalable systems. Your financial fortress gets stronger and stronger with every single gate you build, and your reliance on any one source gets smaller. Your first step is simply to use what you already have. If you're ready to take that first step, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. In the next Consulting Tuesdays video, we are going to do a deep dive into the best methods to demolish your debt, and I'm very sure you wouldn't want to miss that. See you all next time. Bye bye.